Thanks for stopping by my video today. Today we are going to go over how to use a country blocker within WordPress with a plugin. Now the last video that I posted, we talked about blocking countries. So there might be certain countries you want to block and try to keep them from getting access to your website. And I'm going to show you a nice free plugin, nice and easy to use in just a moment. Before I get into today's video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notification bell so you know when I post a new video. So in the last video we talked about WordFence and the basic WordFence package, which is really good. It is free and it works really well. The only thing is, if you want to use Country Blocker, you have to upgrade to the premium. So I found this plugin that works really well. Once in a while you might get somebody squeezed by in a country, but for the most part it's blocked pretty well for me for all the websites that I'm managing that I use this program on, and it's been pretty successful. So wanted to share that with you, so let's get right into it. So the first thing that you want to do is get to your dashboard on WordPress, and you're going to scroll down here, and if you do not have the plugin, obviously you probably don't, you're going to want to go to plugins right here, and you're going to put add plugin. When you go to add plugin right here on the search, you're going to put in Country Blocker, and it's going to pull up some plugins for you. The one that I'm using that works really well is Advanced Country Blocker. It's this one right here. It actually, again, works really well. It's not 100% foolproof. It's a fairly new app, but it's working really well for the websites that I manage and use it on. So let me show you what it looks like on the back end. So go to Country Blocker, and on here it's going to show you the list. First you can check off use blacklist mode, and that's what I use. And then here's the countries that I want to block, and this is who I have blocked. So here's the list going forward. I keep adding more to it as I find countries that are trying to attack WordPress websites, so I try to block that particular country on most of the clients that I work with. So it's real easy. So if you want to add something new here, and here's the list of what I have on this particular website, you can hit the button, add another country, then you hit the select button, and you're going to see the drop down here where you can go ahead and go through and look for the country that you want to block. Let's just say that I want to block, let's pick one here. Just going to do this one here, and then the next thing you do is I'm going to slide down, and you can add another country again if you wanted to, and pick a country, so you could do a bunch at one time if you really want to. But when you're all done, you're going to scroll down a little bit further on this page, and there is a save button. I'm not going to display the save button because there is personal information below this section that I do not want to disclose due to it being a security breach problem, and it is my client's website. So that's as far as I'm going to go with that. But it does work really well. If you haven't watched the last video, I put a link up here about the WordFence plugin. It's really good. So here's a link for you, and it's also in the description below. Thanks for watching. Talk to you again soon.